Hey, guys, what's up? Jimmy speaking here, and given several requests from many people who have been on my social networks asking me to record a review about the Energize traffic app, I decided to record this video for you. I don't know if you know, but I always open polls on the best online income opportunities right now, and today's most voted product was the Energize traffic app, that even I left the official website to be able to facilitate your access and do not need to search here at the first link of the description. And I will also leave set in the comments so that you find easier. A lot of questions have arisen about the Energize traffic app type. How does the sale of products work using this 3-in-1 system that generates free traffic, list, and still included high-ticket products to earn higher commissions, since the Energize traffic app is not about traditional forms of online monetization? And how does this happen without you having to advertise on ad platforms and not create content to get organic traffic? So as I always do before doing a review, I went in search of beginner affiliates, and after a broad search I separated two affiliate groups, being that the first group was using the Energize traffic app, and the other was using other ways to work with paid traffic, Facebook ads, pay per click on Google, and create videos to generate organic traffic. So if you are thinking of buying the Energize traffic app, stay with me until the end of this video, which I assure you will make the smartest and safest decision about whether or not you should buy the Energize traffic app. So basically, the Energize traffic app is an integrated system of automatic organic traffic generation with high-ticket product offering goal, but without the need to create content. You will use the brutal over 400 million traffic only to make offers to customers already interested in buying a particular high-ticket product. The way it works is extremely simple. Within the Energize traffic app you will choose an offer, and in the sequence in a few clicks you will only need to direct all the traffic to the page or funnel you want. Since you can use this source of traffic from over 400 million users to your affiliate offerings, to your high-ticket digital products in the niches that are currently on the high for you to sell easy. Actually, setting up the Energize traffic app is very easy and simply works that way, and the traffic is already integrated within the platform. This way only you choose the offers and launch within the Energize traffic app and generate the traffic necessary to make sales with high commissions. What's different about the Energize traffic app is that you just pay only once for the system, what any other market does not offer. This is already surreal, and you can set up as many offers as you want and people will find your offers and buy throughout the day, generating you various commissions on autopilot. So personal without more delays. Nothing better than the results of those who are using the Energize traffic app, to be sure whether or not you should buy. So most people who are using the Energize traffic app reported that they doubled the number of daily sales compared to other ways of working as an affiliate, by increasing the number of sales and not needing to invest in paid traffic. And second, they were grossing a lot more for getting more commissions from the same customer in high-ticket offers, with the possibility of endless offers without worrying about the cost of sponsored ad platforms. So as I always do, I asked the people who were using the Energize traffic app if they recommended this tool, and they all said yes, and some even supplemented it by saying that after they started using the Energize traffic app, began to have mainly more freedom and security to increase the size of their business and be able to expand 7 times faster by not having more fixed costs with ads and by being much more profitable with high-ticket offers like big players do. They also reported that more money was left over to travel, take vacations, start the nomadic journey, gift your children with luxury toys, and even refurbish their entire home with unlimited business growth possibilities by daily increasing their customer list and their automations at no extra cost. The group that was working with Facebook ads, Google ads, and other ad platforms reported that although their business was growing, the monthly costs of these platforms took more than 55% of their monthly revenue. But in both cases, both those who were high on traditional ad platforms and those who were earning more without fixed monthly costs reported that working as an affiliate is the best and fastest form of online monetization. An important detail is that people who were working only with traditional forms of affiliate marketing had not yet met the Energize traffic app, so I introduced them and suggested that they review the official website, which I even left here in the description and set in the comments to facilitate you access and view all the complete information. I hope this review about the Energize traffic app has helped you, and if I could help you, the only thing I ask is only one like in this video, because for you it costs nothing, and it helps our channel to grow, and share even more views to help you. Thank you, and until the next video.